Bulacan. Bulacan. Kahit malayo pupuntahan ko kaso may pasok. November 7? Ay, Friday. Pero malay nyo, gabi. Friday ang November 7 pala. Di ba kayo magkakaroon ng event sa Cotabato? Ooh, let's see. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung pwede yan. Yan ang top one gifter natin today is Debra. So far. Mostly naman yan, 4 to 8 p.m. yan sila. Yes, I agree. Friday, night shift ang pasok. Ayun. Ang timing naman yan. Pwede po sumali. Basta top gifter po kayo. Thank you. Kakayari lang mag-ML. Ayun. Ano, shall we play? Shall we start? Free event po ba yan? Yes, free event siya. Jane, pwede yan ibiyahe. Kaya mo yan. Kita-kita tayo dun. Baka November 7. I-confirm natin. Pag nakita nyo na yung announcement, final na yon. Christmas event, tapos Quad Lips is guest. I'm guessing one of the malls around Araneta Coliseum. Start na po para makarami. Start na daw. Let me get it set up. Mag-aya tayo ng mga kalaro. Is PJ? PJ should be here already. Ano yun? Pwede pa claim ni PJ? Yes. Two games. Oo, PJ. Lagi kang nawawala. Can we have an attendance check? Send me some roses, guys. Hello, Lemona. Thank you, Eddie Mia, for the Go Popular. Send some roses for your official attendance tonight. Andyan si Mosh Blade. Andyan si Team Jeans. Andyan si Eddie Meow. Sino pa? Yes, Lemona, you're late. Si Lemona nandito. How's your day, Cole? Paambag sa Rose, guys. Oh, paambag daw si JM. How's your day, Cole? It was good today. We had voice training and dance training po. Pagising lang po. Sorry. Good morning. Thank you, PJ, for the train. Thank you. And Papa Gishish. Wait! Grabe ba? Nagpa-choo-choo train siya. Choo-choo train yarn. Thank you, PJ, for the train. And Papa Gishish for the rose and JM. Thank you, PJ, for the train. Grabe. Bye muna ko only mag-prepare na para sa work. Ayun, nagpa-train si PJ. May pa-MRT siya. Thank you, Papa Gishish and JM. Kasali ka na sa gameplay. Matagal. Dami niya ng dami ko ng utang na laro. Thank you, Deborah, for the DJ glasses. Thank you po. Nagpapaligsahan sila guys sa top 1. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you po. God, thank you. Sino kaya ang top 1 today para next live sila makakasama natin sa makakasama natin sa game next time. Thank you, Deborah. Racing na racing. Sino kaya magbabagsak ng layo? Guys, wag ganun. Huwag natin sila i-pressure into that naman. Okay, let me just set up my live stream for ML. Collie, update po sa mga player mo today. Sino-sino po? Today, may sasama ko mga friends ko. At saka pala, ngayon, ang gagawin natin per game, 1 Love. 1 lalabs lang. Kasi last time, nahirapan tayong, kasi hindi ko pa kabisado yung gameplay nyo. Kaya, thank you for the van cat, Deborah! Thank you! Hala, hindi ko nakita yung animation. May animation na ba? Hindi ko nakita yung animation. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Hindi ko nakita. Ano ba naman yan? Actually, di namin alam lahat ng gameplays natin. Haha. Yes, I agree. Thank you so much, Deborah. Thank you. Hippie. May pusa. Konti na tayo na yung little cat. Thank you po. Ala. Hug. Thank you guys. Thank you po. Ayan na. Okay, wait lang. Fix lang natin yung cast ko. Thank you for the heart me, Adi. Ad. Dapat may rule din pala tayo pag ganyan lumalampas ng 1K, no? 1K. 1K coins. Debra. Ayusin ko pala yung... Niyo pa rin ba ako? How's the audio so far, guys? 3 games paglampas 1K. Alright. Tapos, ah, isa pa yun? Hala, hindi ko na naman nakita. Debra, I'm so sorry. I didn't see Debra na naman. Thank you. Thank you for the fan cat, Debra. Thank you so much, Debra. It's okay. I have a copy. I have a copy of it naman. Makikita ko rin yan pag pinanood ko ulit yung live stream. Thank you, Debra. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Hindi to budol. Nag-aayos ako ng cast. Ano lang laro ang nilalaro mo? Naglalaro po ako ngayon. Maglalaro po ako ngayon ng ML. Thank you, Debra, for the ban. Thank you po. Iyak na yan. Malapit na. Walang iiyak dito. Uy, wag na. Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Thank you, thank you. Nag-send siya ulit ng fan cat, tapos hindi ko na naman nakita. Thank you. 30 minutes into the live, guys. Thank you po. Oh my gosh. Pang PC setup, yes. Thank you, guys. Thank you tayo kay, thank you tayo kay Debra. Also, tap hearts, guys. Grabe yun. Thank you po. Dapat, pag ganyan, ginagawa ng song cover eh. Aside from, from gaming. Diba? Sige, ayusin ko po ang aking live stream rules and regulations. Ayusin natin para mas maayos yung live stream natin. Let's G para sa PC setup, yes. Kasi right now, naka-laptop lang ako. And so far, na-update naman na meron na ako microphone, meron ng keyboard. Mas matagal na to sa akin eh. Pero, hello. Hello, John. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Oh yeah, John, you can join na. From now on, you can join the game as long as you're the top 1 gifter. Okay? Rolly, gusto mo raw ba ng TikTok universe sabi ni PJ? Uy! Kayo po bahala. It's up to you guys. Goods naman specs ng laptop mo, Coley. It's okay. It gets me by naman so far. Nakakapag-Valorant naman ako. Ay, ayan, G. If you're top one gifter for a live stream, yes. Okay, good night. Para lahat makalaro. Oo. Nakakapag-Valorant ka? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you for the hand heart. Thank you again, Deborah, for the van cat. Thank you po. Thank you. Oh no, you have a a far gap right now. Hmm. Top one gifter gets to play with me live next stream. And if you exceed, you know what? I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna write this down, okay? Because I know I'm gonna forget. Si Ate Kat nagbabalo. Oo, alam ko. Malakas din yun maglaro. Sige, let's play na. 20K hearts natin. Matsalab kay Sendya Mashita. Thank you, John, for the corgi. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, PJ. Thank you, John. Papa Gishish and Moshblade. Ang top 5 spenders natin so far. Nasaan ka man, Ate Kat, pabuhat? Oh, Ate Andy's online. Wait, let's go see. Ay, kaso. Let me talk to Ate Andy real quick. Thank you, John, for the corgi. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hello, everyone. Yes, ML ulit. Um, okay, PJ, you can join na. Kasama natin si Ate Andy. PJ, what is your, ano, tawag doon? What is your ML ID? Bayan. Top 1 gifter. 1 game is, ano, 500? Oh, that's crazy. Thank you, John, for the galaxy. Thank you, John, for the galaxy. Hala, bakit nawala? Wait nga, naglalag ata yung ano ko. Nawala si PJ. So if you leave the live stream, nawawala yung ano, yung gift. No! If you leave the live stream, you get removed from the ano. Thank you, John, for the galaxy. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Member ng Quadlips. Hi, hi. But if he comes back, number 2, John. Number 2. I believe you're in the same place with... Hello. Hello, Kuya March. Is this Kuya March? Apat ang quad lips. Kaya pala quad lips. Quad is apat. Yes. I'm a girl po. Oh, it's a different Marge. Okay, I see. Sorry, I know a Marge din kasi. Hello, Marge. Must be top one for the next live stream. Yes. And you should be available, okay? When I go live stream, when we play, okay? Five lives. Yes. Because Quad Lips, diba Quad Lips? And the previous member, Hina, already graduated or already left the group. So now cannot join, yes, for next live stream because I have of list, a lot of list from last lives. Since a member kong five lips, yes. So the next, Deborah! Deborah! Deborah doesn't want her spot to be taken away. Deborah is the, Deborah is the number one. Thank you, Deborah, for the giraffe. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Na-follow na kita sa ML. What is your name? Mate, mate kudasai. Hmm? I do not know how. Um, Thank you, John, for the galaxy and Deborah for the giraffe. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Wait lang, hindi ako marunong mag-add. Ito. Tapos, I think I still need your, I still need your, ang tawag doon? Your ID. Coley, sabi mo po, last live may one game pa ako. Huhu. Yes! Dalawang PJ. John! Thank you, John, for the meteor shower. Yo! Yo! Yes, you're number one now. Thank you, John, for the meteor shower. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. You guys are absolutely, oh my gosh. Okay, let's finish. Let's finish these games first, and then you can join. 3612. Let's see. Only game. Only game. Nakano na ba? Oh, hindi pa. Sorry, wait lang. Can you see? Can you see my stream? Not yet. We're there. Okay. Um, can you see the stream? Ah, wag daw muna pakita. Oh. Deborah! Thank you, Deborah, for the Jolly's Heartland. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Yo, Deborah! Thank you, Deborah. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you po. When? No. Thank you so much, Deborah. Yeah, this is crazy. You guys. You guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Deborah. Anyari, I have thank you for the Jolly's Heartland. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm literally like my face is heating up right now. Sa kilig. I'm so kilig. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you po. Okay, now I need to fix the rules up again. 'Di ba? Bakit hindi narinig? Can you hear the cast, guys? Wait! Yo! Girl, it's your first day to imply rules then. Yes! I need to fix my rules. Then, hold on. I need to fix my stream first. I'm shaking, guys. Wait. Wow, wow. I go. Wait. Hindi ako maka-move on. I'm sorry. I can't focus, guys. Wow. Sound effects. Ay, wala yung sounds. Oh my gosh. Hmm. Coley, mag-roam ka or mid? I can mid. Wait lang. Can you hear my ano? Can you hear it? No? I'll just play the music from here. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm shaking. I'm like literally shaking. I go, you guys. Thank you, Deborah and Johns. I go. I can't. I can't move on. Sorry. I'll play. Start. Hold on. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I think, yeah, I'll go mid. Oh my gosh. Hmm. I I'm shaking. Thank you guys. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, John and PJ. To the top three gifters. Yes. Yes, we will play. Okay. Oh, tagal ah. Why am I? I'm shaking. Okay, I will just finish these three games with PJ and Papa Gishish, and then we play with Deborah. I think Deborah will play a lot first. Deborah, do you play Mobile Legends? What you wanna play? Yes, you too. Deborah's still here? What? Oh my gosh. Yes, John. Is it John or Joan? John? Joan? How do I? Yes. John or Joan? I wanna know how to say your name properly. They banned my Zojin! We will play with you. I just said how to say your name first. Hindi ako marunong magkaguro, guys. Sige, ito na lang. Sorry, hindi ako marunong magkaguro Vexana. John. Just John. Oh, Jonathan. So do you want it John or John. All right. So since John and Deborah exceeded 1,000, let's how shall we do this? I okay. Okay. Let's play. We'll play. John and Deborah. Because they exceeded like they have 4,000 and 6,000 guys. Thank you so much for the gifts, guys. Ano, mainit. Mainit ba? It's getting hot. Getting hot in here. I go, you guys. How am I supposed to focus now? Thank you, Cholo, for the heartbeat. How am I supposed? Nakuha ni Coley mannerism ni Fame. Which one? Let's go. Let's go play. Can you guys hear the audio? I don't think. Oh, sorry. You guys can't hear the audio, no? Cole, you're so big now. I miss you. I miss you. Let's let's go. Can I get the rest of slots for rest of tonight? Ooh. Advanced GG's good. Thank you. Hmm. If you I need to think. Wait. I suppose so. I suppose so. Yes. If you get top one. Top one and top two because you guys are highest tonight. Yes. As long as I get to finish the rest of the ones before you first, okay? And then the rest, yes. Can you hear the game? No. Can you hear the game? Can you guys hear the game? Oh, we're against Sicilian. So right now I'm playing with one more MNL 48 member, Ate Andy, and two of my friends. Oh, sorry. Yung game? Hindi narinig yung game? Oh, man. Yes, I ate. Kaya happy Coley. Tonight, Coley is happy. Thank you so much to our top gifters again. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, John and PJ. Let's play some good ML tonight. Yes, Chabu. Yes, Mr. Late. You're late, Chabu. Hindi kaya. Ay, lagi ka nag-ML. Yes. Yeah. Madalas na, guys. Madalas na mag-ML si Coley. Oo. I now have Ultimate. Oh, I should have helped them on the turtle. I'm sorry. Wait. Oh no. Wait. Oh no. Yo. Yung umabot. Sorry. Wait, I need to focus. I'm gonna lock in. A. Let me lock in, guys. Ang goal tonight for the hearts is still 100k. It's always gonna be 100k. Higa, mali yung combo ko, guys. Log in what? Yes, I need to log in. Hold on. Uh-oh. Okay. Need to go back. Sino bias mo sa Bini? Lahat po sila bias ko. Lahat sila maganda. But one of my favorite is Ate Aya, Mika, and Maloy. Because before we had some interactions with them during ASAP. And this was pre-pandemic. And we interacted a lot. And, yep. Mas ball, yeah. Wait, let me help top. Oh, okay. Right now I'm playing with two of my friends, PJ. What? Sayang. You you guys can't hear hear the game. I'll fix it later on. I'll recast. Oh, let's help top. I'll fix the game later, guys. Yes, I will play with you, John. Hi, Mars. Hi. Sayang, di umabot. Yes, we will play tonight. Thank you, Mikey. Nagsisiyo kahapon. I know you know. If you know, you know. Yes, I know. Yes, John, we will play. We will play. I'll explain everything later after these games. Okay? Guys, I haven't been helping. I can't focus. Wait. Uh-oh. Wait. Okay, come back. Come back. 危ないこれ。Help. Oh no. Thank you, PJ. Yes, we will play, we will play. Ano main hero nyo ate? Main hero ko po is Angela Zujin. Angela Zujin lang. Minsan Johead. Yes, we will finish 3 games, 2 more games, and then we'll play with top one. But I need to pick the order. Yeah, whoever is top one, okay? Yeah, who's that? Oh. Manay! Thank you. Scary. Ate, paano po sabayin yan? Live cam tapos gaming live. So, dapat po nasa PC kayo or nasa laptop. And then, you can use the TikTok Studio on the laptop and your TikTok on your device, and then you can cast it so that you can have your camera from the laptop. And yes. Well, we said so much in the end we can only play one game. No, it's not gonna be one game. I told you I'm gonna decide. You will decide how long we're gonna play, okay? Please wait. Please wait. Let me finish these 3 games first, and then I will tell you. Oh. Rado, kumusta ka na po? I'm okay, thank you. Oh no, hindi pa nila na-end. Okay, let me focus on this one first. I need to win this. Of course, may kalaro pa yan right now. Wait lang. Oh, retreat? Okay. Should we set something up? We should set something up, PJ. Kasi I have ano eh. Oh. You have the, how to say? You have set, tsaka I have the SS. SS. Hinabol. Yes, Zilong. Salubungin natin si Zilong. Here. Zilong ba yun? Ayun, Zilong nga. Who is that? Hoy, Palt Z. Wow! You guys are crazy. Pag talaga nabaliktad pa yan. Ay, nako, mga pasaway. Tipi-tipi. Nice. Deborah, do you play Mobile Legends? What do you wanna do? Maging angry mom na naman ko. Lahat tayo. Okay, let me finish these three games first, and then we'll decide what we're gonna do today, okay? So since I wanna analyze in my brain first, since if usually the top one gifter reaches like 1,000 coins. I guess, wala akong may kaaway ako sa live ni Madge. Bawal mag-away. Do you want me to get angry? Sticker ba? What sticker? PJ has two games. Papa Gishish has one game. John Z. No. Hello, Aiden. John and Deborah. Deborah, do you play Mobile Legends? Yes, but now it's more than 1K. So, we can do, since one game is equal to 1,000, we can do four games and six games for Deborah. What do you think? Since she's not top one. How do you want to go with this, Deborah? Hello, Aiden. Why do you call Aiden Sensei? All right, I forgot to fix let me fix the cast first. Oh no. Wait, I'll ban muna. I'll ban and then I'll fix the cast audio. Hold on. I can't see. I'm Aiden Sensei student. You're his Gakusei. I learned that in Japanese. Gakusei wa student. And then Sensei is the teacher. Oh no, you don't have Smurf account. How? Am I mid? Yeah, I can Zushin. I can Zushin. I can Zushin. Can I go first? Oh yeah, I'll go first. Okay, now I need to. Paano kaya ayusin yung cast? Maayos yung audio here eh. Paano naman yan? Cross rank. Okay, what's your rank, John? I think for 5 man we can play. Thank you, B and Mikey, for the heart, please. Who's B? B? B dot dot. Bry. Okay. Thank you so much, Deborah and John and PJ, for being our top three gifters tonight. You guys are the MVPs. And to those who are tapping hearts, thank you for 32K. Let's get it to 100K tonight, okay? Ayan. Ako na to. Ikaw na talaga. Ikaw na yan. Chabu. Who else are tapping hearts?